You may encounter a condition with your Pure 3 system attempting to run off of shore power or charge from shore power where you keep tripping the breaker on the pole outside of the coach where you're plugged in. Cause for that can be the setting on the inverter trying to pull too much power from the pole. This input current is called the branch current in the inverter control. So to adjust that, go to the inverter control panel. Newer coaches may say Winnebago across the top instead of dimensions. And we'll wake up the display by pressing the display button. Now we're going to press the display button and hold it for 5 seconds. We're going to press the display button and hold it for 5 seconds. There we've entered the settings mode. I'll press the next button, or see here it says settings mode. Press the next button. Max branch amps, 30 amps. Press the enter button once. You see the S appears in the lower right hand corner of the display, indicating that we can now change the setting. I'll press the next button. 0, 5, 10, 15. 15 amps should work nicely. Now press the enter button, and that's saving the setting. I'll go over here and press the escape button once to return to the home screen. The branch current or the input current has now been reset from 30 amps to 15.